Hey guys, I'm doing a bike check. I got my package. So yeah, I got the PC pedals, the twisted PC pedals from Odyssey. I got the Odyssey Mike Aiken tires. You can see. My Benz pivotal seat has the little, I think it's a bunny with animal seat post in red. I didn't buy a seat clamp, mine's okay. I got the Colt D-Hart Rasta grips, and I got the dices. So yeah, this is my bike with all my equipment. Yeah, it shipped faster than I thought. So yeah, thank you. Subscribe and thumbs up and comment if you want any more videos. Thank you.